While you are building your portfolio to achieve financial independence, you learn early on about the benefits of diversification, both from an investment and a tax perspective. Once you become financially independent, diversification remains important as you begin to replace your paycheck with cash flow generated from your portfolio.
As the economic environment changes, strategies for generating this cash flow do as well. Yet, as these strategies change, the resources for generating your income tend to remain the same. We look at various sources of funds that generate cash flow in your financial independence, including fixed income, such as pension income, rental income, Social Security income, and annuity income, interest and dividends, cash and bond interest, as well as dividend income from stocks. Capital gains, we evaluate when is the right time to liquidate a stock or a mutual fund. Principal, the right use of portfolio principal can be critical to allowing one's portfolio to extend throughout their retirement. And finally, real estate equity. For some, real estate is one's largest asset and can be a great source of future income.
What's your plan to generate retirement income? At Washington Wealth Advisors, our mission is to proactively help you achieve your financial independence with confidence. We work to assess where you are today relative to your financial independence plan and provide you with a roadmap to get you where you want to be. Remember, it's never too late to begin. Let's create your plan together.